Hello everyone, today I will introduce our PD series KVM functions. First, enter our web-based software and log in your account. Okay, before you use your KVM functions, let's start by creating a role. First, click the permissions and add a new role. Name your role. Give it a sorting level and assign the manual permissions. It's not only worked on the distributed virtual management system, and it also works on the distributed KVM collaboration system. Okay, next, create a user. Add a new user and name your user. Give your user account and password. Then assign a role. Next, assign data permissions. We give all the functions for the user. And one thing you should notice is that a user's compatibility are based on the assigned role. If the role is not granted specific functions, the user will not have authorities to access them. Okay, let's